How to turn off two-factor authentication for Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram, head over to your Instagram app, then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, and then head over to Account Center. Now, scroll down and go to Password and Security under Account Settings. There you'll find two-factor authentication. Tap on it and go to your authentication method. Mine is set to SMS or WhatsApp, so just toggle it off. And then it will ask you to confirm. Just tap on turn off, and then that's it. Your two-factor authentication will be toggled off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.